Oh, look at that.
So American guy here, and the deer came over to clean up all of the sunflower seeds. And the dog's getting up here, gonna check them out. They're pretty hungry when they start doing that. We were just sitting here eating supper. Sorry about that. Yep, a little buck with just one horn. They're under the bird feeder picking up all of the shells from the sunflower seeds. And they're looking at the little dog like maybe they could eat him.
Hi, girls.
Sorry it's shaking so bad. Kind of a spur of the minute deal. They're trying to figure out how to get that bird feeder open so they could get the seed out of that. It's been a pretty rough winter. They look good though. They don't look like they're all that hungry. They're just out trying to find what they can find to eat. And the little dog, he's going to get them, of course. Yep, there's some more coming down the road. They're just out trying to find something to eat. They all look good. Their bellies aren't sucked up. Their hips aren't sticking out. They're doing pretty good. But I think they're probably getting hungry. Oh, there's more of them. Let me go over here to this door. Sorry.
Am I messing you up?
Nope.
Oh,
Let's come over here.
This is absolutely gorgeous.
So they're right out here on the streets in town,
Can you see?
wandering around, chewing on things. Standing in the middle of the road trying to figure out which way they should go now.
You think you could just circle up there?
What?
You think you could go?
No. We open the door, they'll take off.
Well, when they come right up to my dog, they didn't. I mean, my day, they looked
So
right
that
there.
mama deer there, and then she's got two yearlings
There they
behind her. They're going to follow her. And then another mama deer that don't have no baby with her. And here's this one. Hold real still, Mom. This little guy, he's going to come back and check the bird feeder again and see if he could find anything. He sees through the window. He's wondering what's for dinner.
Is the baby up there?
Got lots of.
Can you see him on the window?
Yeah, I can see him. He's picking up the bird seed, or the shells from the sunflower seeds that the birds eat. And there's a little dog, a vicious little guard dog that thinks he's gonna go out there and get some deer meat in a minute. Yeah, they're just wandering around. That lead doe, she's headed over there to the apartments to see if there's anything over there. This little guy, he better wake up or they're going to leave him. He's going to be all alone. That little buck with one horn, he's going in last place. You better go with him there, mister. Yeah, you better go with him. Go on. Yeah, you're a cute little turd. He is. Well, that's it. He says, I'm out of here. He must have got called. or I spooked him or something. I hope they'll be careful. One got run over last winter out here on the highway about a block from here.